Look at Nuri.
Shady, you gonna go for a walk?
What an asshole. He didn't even look up at you when you said his name, Nuri. Whispers. And he's like, yeah.
You gonna go for a walk? Okay. Alright, let's do it. Oh, so cute. Salut everyone! のりです。今日はね、いつも俺の動画に登場しているこのワンウィール。このワンウィールで犬と散歩に出かけるのがね、もうどんだけ素晴らしいか。これをね、皆さんにシェアしたいと思います。でもね、素晴らしいことだけじゃないんですよ。気をつけた方がいいことももちろんあるんで、それもこの動画の中で皆さんにシェアしたいと思います。このチャンネルに初めて来てくれたあなた、ありがとうございます。このチャンネルでは普段は動画制作や写真、動画に関すること、写真に関することをシェアしてるんですけども、ここカナダなんでね、カナダならではのこと。例えばね、ワンウィールで犬と散歩なんてもう、これこそ本当ね、カナダならではのことなんで、そういうカナダならではの面白いこと、いいことなんかも皆さんにシェアしていけたらなと思いますので、動画、写真、それから海外のこと、カナダのことなどに興味がある人は、ぜひチャンネル登録お願いします。今日はこの動画で撮ってる内容は、俺のセカンドチャンネルのね、サブチャンネルの英語のチャンネルの方、そっちの方でも、動画にするので、この後は言葉は英語を話します。でも日本語の字幕をつけるんで大丈夫ですよ。英語の勉強がてら見てみたいなと思う人は、ぜひ英語の方のチャンネルの方もチェックしてください。First of all, gear. So to do the one wheeling with your dog, you can enjoy, right? You want to enjoy that, right? So I highly recommend gear. Put your proper gear to protect yourself. At least helmet. I've been snowboarding for more than 20 years and I do wake skating and I can one wheel comfortably without helmet, yes. But you go on the road, I think you should put your safety gear on, at least helmet, right? Like respect others too, because even without your fault, maybe someone's fault, there might be a chance car hit you or your dog run into somewhere and then you might fall. Even if you're okay, but you never know, your head might hit car, right? So you have to protect yourself and show your respect to others on the road, sharing the road. And also for the safety gear, this is not the safety gear, but I recommend getting this extendable leash. This is amazing. This can go about, 5 meters, something like that. And, it's kind of extendable. And whenever I want to stop, I can lock it, right? Because like a dog is so happy, so he can run whatever his desired speed if he wants to run, right? But this one, I can tell him, hey buddy, you're going a little bit too fast. That case, I can just give this leash attention and pull him back to me. This is amazing. So you definitely should get this, especially with one wheeling. You want to catch up with your dog's speed, right? So that time, you don't need to lock this leash. So he can run his speed. I can stay with him, right beside him, without locking this leash. And whenever he runs too fast, I can pull. This is great. You definitely should get it. Those are two gears I highly recommend to get it. One, safety gear for yourself, and second, this extendable leash for sure. You should be able to stop and hover a little bit and wait for your dog. I mean, if it's like 10 seconds, you can jump off from your boat anytime, no problem. But at least a couple of seconds, you should be able to hover. If you need it, you should be able to go backward without changing your stance. You know what I mean? That's the great thing of one wheeling. And it's not difficult to be honest, but you definitely need some practice. But as you get comfortable, that's very great thing about Onewheeling. You just slow down if your dog goes slow, and then eventually stop. And if your dog is still sniffing around or peeing or pooping, you can go back towards your dog, which is great thing, right? Okay, so I'm gonna show you. Come on, buddy. Shady, you're gonna show a little walk? Or this way? But, oh, Shady, come back. But coming back this way. Sorry, buddy. I keep going back and forth. Sorry, Shady. But like this, you should be able to hold your balance. Onewheel is gonna assist your balance, so you should be okay. But I know you can hold and you can jump off, or you can go back. If you can do that, your dog walk with your Onewheel will be much easier and much more fun for sure. But as long as you can stop, you can slow down, you can jump off, you're good to go. Great thing of Onewheel with your dog is maybe your dog wants to run, you can go up to this Onewheel like 30 kilometers per hour, even a little bit more. You don't want to do that with your dog anyway. It's like, let's say 20 kilometers per hour, which is a nice speed, good speed for a dog. And you can also catch up with your dog right beside you, which is amazing. That's amazing experience you're gonna have. And you see your dog is so happy right beside you. This is amazing experience. Another great thing about Onewheeling with a dog is you don't need to go always on the road. You can go on the grass, no problem. You can go in the forest, no problem, or road, of course. No matter where you are, you can enjoy. Even you can go up the hill with Onewheel, no problem. This is amazing. That's why I highly recommend Onewheeling with your dog. This is such an amazing experience. 動画にコメントくれてる皆さん、本当ありがとうございます。ヒストグラム、動画写真の初心者必見、知っておかないと後で後悔するっていうね、動画。その動画にコメントをくれた南の島のおばあと孫さん、ありがとうございます。動画制作初心者です。今まで見た YouTube の解説動画で一番初心者へ親身な解説で丁寧で分かりやすかったです。ありがとうございます。嬉しいな。素敵な動画を投稿してくださり、ありがとうございます。こちらこそ素敵なコメント、本当ありがとうございます。めっちゃ嬉しいです。これからもこのチャンネルお願いしますね。今からもね、初心者の方にも分かりやすいような写真動画に関すること、そしてOnewheelに関すること、カナダのことお届けしていきたいと思います。さあ、この動画が良かったと思った人、ぜひ高評価をお願いします。Come on, buddy. Shady. Come here. Say hi to the camera. このね、シェイディが可愛いって思った人もね、ぜひぜひコメントをお願いします。今日はね、Onewheelと、犬っていうね、動画制作とはあんま関係ないような内容だったんですけども、これができるのもね、カナダならではのいいところなんで、こういうカナダのこと、カナダならではのことなんかも今からシェアしていきたいと思います。I hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. じゃあね、Peace out!